Is this the bottom of NQ? Is this the bottom of ES? Gold down, US dollar up, and stocks are absolutely booming today. We're up about 13,000 this month alone, buying some huge dips across a lot of stocks, which I'm going to talk to you guys about today. But this morning, live on our Top Step stream, there was some very, very key news coming out from Geneva about easing of the tariff situation. So a lot of the news that has come out this morning has been that we now have a constructive path towards a positive conversation with China. And the US is to lower tariffs on China to include a base 10% plus 20% fentanyl levy. And along with that, they have also agreed with a 90-day pause on the tariff situation. So the reason that this has moved gold down so much today is because there's no longer that much uncertainty in the markets. So people are taking their money out of gold and putting it elsewhere. And that is why we have seen some absolutely phenomenal rallies across the US dollar, stocks, and gold going lower, and the Japanese yen going lower as well. Safe haven flows are now leaving gold and going back into the markets such as NQ and having some huge pushes. So the stocks that I have been buying during all of this big dip, because to me it's been such an incredible opportunity to be buying the markets. Anything lower than 20% long term is a fantastic opportunity. So my current holdings right now is I currently have AMD, Nike, Meta, Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia, and Google. So Google's still down a little bit, but so far this month, AMD is absolutely booming. We got Nike booming as well, and we have Meta up as well. So I'm going to be cashing in a lot of these gains because this rally is absolutely amazing. We're currently up around 14,000 this month alone, with today, at the time of this recording, we're currently up about 6.4 thousand. And this is what we were saying inside the Traders Club, how there has been some absolutely phenomenal long-term buying opportunities when the markets are dipping down this much, because a lot of this tariff news was just talk. Nothing was ever fully confirmed. That's what I was saying to the guys. This is a great time to not be fearful, but to actually start looking for some longer-term play investments. And we have absolutely been taking advantage of these markets. So is this the bottom of NQ? Is this the bottom of ES? Who knows? However, this is an absolutely fantastic recovery, and it very well could be the bottom. For me, I'm going to be cashing out a lot of these gains and still holding some longer term plays, because a lot of these were just shorter term moves, taking advantage of some big swing pullbacks that were needed in the markets. And the agreement on China for a 90-day pause has been what has absolutely fueled that. And along with the stocks being up today, guys, you guys can see here on my London account here on Top Step, we're up a nice $400. And on my Asia account, we're up a nice $736. And my performance stats for my Asia account, I'm currently up about 4.7 thousand on this account since the 17th of April. So it is absolutely time to take a payout here as well. And I'm also going to be taking another payout on my London account soon, which I've had since January, which is currently up around 7.4 thousand. You can see the X curve is a little bit messy because we've been taking some pretty frequent payouts, which has been absolutely amazing. So this is the good thing about the way that we trade, is there's lots of ways to diversify in the markets. You don't have to rely just on day trading. You don't have to rely just on stocks. I have my day trading, which we've made fantastic gains as well. We've also made fantastic gains on the stocks. And now it is time to absolutely lock in an incredible day. So let me know in the comments below, is this the bottom of the markets? Are we ready to reach new all-time highs? Or is this just going to be a short-term pullback? I'll see you guys live on stream every single day, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. See you guys there. Peace.